How can we add a new app to our dock in macOS 15? Let's head to our Launchpad so we can see all of the apps. Here we are. Now you can simply drag and drop the app you need. And here it is. Now the app is permanently in our dock. If you change your mind, you can right click on it and select Remove from dock. The app will disappear. Alternatively, we can go for Finder, go to Applications, and you can also drag in app from here. And if you want to remove it, you can also just drag it out and it's gone. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. See you in the next one.